Listen up, you lot. Are you tired of feeling like a pile of soggy toast every morning? Do you find yourself hitting the snooze button more times than you can count? We've all been there, dragging ourselves out of bed after a carb-heavy breakfast, feeling sluggish and about as sharp as a butter knife. It's time to ditch those sugary cereals and embrace a breakfast that will fuel your body and mind. We're talking about protein-packed breakfasts that will kickstart your metabolism and leave you feeling energized and ready to conquer the day. No more mid-morning slumps or cravings for unhealthy snacks. Get ready to transform your mornings and unlock a whole new level of energy and focus. Trust me, your body will thank you for it. Now let's talk about why protein is the bloody hero of your breakfast plate. It's the building block of life, for crying out loud. Protein keeps you feeling fuller for longer, unlike those fast-burning carbs that leave you crashing harder than a bad souffle. And when you're full and satisfied, you make better choices throughout the day. We're not just talking about energy here, folks. Protein can also boost your mood, sharpen your focus, and even help you manage your weight. It's like the Swiss Army knife of nutrients. So ditch the sugary cereals and pastries and embrace the power of protein. Your body and mind will thank you for it. Listen up, you Muppets. Skipping breakfast is not an option. It's the most important meal of the day, and if you think you can function properly on an empty stomach, you're more delusional than a contestant on Hell's Kitchen. And don't even get me started on those who grab a donut or a pastry on their way out the door. That's like trying to fuel a Ferrari with diesel. It's just not going to end well. These breakfast disasters will leave you feeling sluggish, unfocused, and craving unhealthy snacks all morning long. You'll be as useful as a chocolate teapot by mid-morning. It's time to ditch the excuses and start your day with a nutritious, protein-packed breakfast that will set you up for success. Now, you might be thinking, Gordon, why are you making such a fuss about breakfast? Let me tell you, you numpties, breakfast is non-negotiable. When you start your day with a protein-packed meal, you're not just fueling your body. You're kickstarting your metabolism and setting yourself up for a more productive and energized day. It's like the difference between driving a rusty old banger and a high-performance sports car. One will struggle to get you where you need to go, while the other will have you cruising with ease. So, ditch the breakfast sabotage and embrace the power of protein. Trust me, your body and mind will thank you for it. Listen, I get it. Mornings are a rush. You've overslept, you're running late, and breakfast is the last thing on your mind. But let me tell you, skipping breakfast is like trying to run a marathon with an empty tank. It's bloody madness. Your body needs fuel in the morning, especially after fasting overnight. Skipping breakfast sends your energy levels plummeting and leaves you craving sugary snacks by mid-morning. You'll be reaching for those pastries and donuts before you can say service. Don't even get me started on the people who claim they're not hungry in the morning. You've got to listen to your body. A decent breakfast kickstarts your metabolism and sets you up for a productive day. It's like prepping your kitchen before a busy service. Get everything organized, and you'll be ready to handle whatever comes your way. Now, let's talk about those sugary cereals and pastries. You know the ones loaded with sugar and processed carbs. They might seem appealing in the morning rush, but they're a recipe for disaster. You're basically starting your day with a sugar crash waiting to happen. These carb-heavy breakfasts spike your blood sugar levels, giving you a temporary energy boost that's gone faster than a souffle in a hurricane. You'll be left feeling sluggish, irritable, and craving even more sugar. It's a vicious cycle. Instead of reaching for those sugary concoctions, opt for protein and healthy fats. Think eggs, avocado, Greek yogurt, real food that will fuel your body and keep you satisfied for hours. Remember, breakfast is the most important meal of the day, so don't treat it like an afterthought. Listen up, you lot. We're about to unlock the power of protein. It's the secret weapon for conquering your mornings and powering through your day like a true champion. Here's the science bit. Protein takes longer to digest than carbohydrates, meaning it keeps you fuller and energized for longer. No more mid-morning crashes. Think of it like this. Carbs are like kindling, burning bright and fast. Protein, on the other hand, is like slow-burning coal, providing sustained energy that lasts. It's the difference between a quick burst of flame and a steady, controlled fire. Protein also plays a crucial role in muscle repair and growth. So, whether you're hitting the gym or simply going about your day, a protein-packed breakfast provides the building blocks your muscles need to recover and rebuild. But the benefits of protein don't stop there. It also supports a healthy metabolism, helping your body burn calories more efficiently throughout the day. And let's not forget about the mental benefits. Protein helps stabilize blood sugar levels, leading to improved mood, better focus, and sharper decision-making. A protein-rich breakfast sets you up for success in all areas of your life. You'll be more alert, more productive, and less likely to make impulsive decisions, like reaching for that donut at the coffee shop. Remember, protein is your secret weapon for transforming your mornings and conquering your day. So ditch the sugary cereals and embrace the power of protein. All right, you lot, let's get down to business. This Greek yogurt parfait is a breakfast game changer. It's quick, easy, and packed with protein to fuel your morning. Plus, it's so delicious, you'll actually look forward to getting out of bed. First, grab yourself some good quality Greek yogurt. None of that sugary flavored rubbish. We're going for plain, unsweetened yogurt, the real deal. Now layer it up in a glass or jar with your favorite fruits. Berries are a fantastic choice, packed with antioxidants and flavor. Next, add a sprinkle of granola for some satisfying crunch. But hold on, we're not using those sugar-laden granola brands. Opt for a low-sugar option or make your own with oats, nuts, and seeds. Now for the protein punch that'll keep you going all morning. Add a scoop of your favorite protein powder to the yogurt layer. This boosts the protein content and adds a creamy texture. Choose a protein powder that aligns with your dietary needs and flavor preferences. Finally, top your parfait with a drizzle of honey or maple syrup for a touch of natural sweetness. But remember, a little goes a long way. We're not creating a sugar bomb here, just enhancing the flavors of the fresh ingredients. There you have it, a protein-packed Greek yogurt parfait that's as delicious as it is nutritious. It's the perfect way to start your day and power through your morning like a true champion. All right, you sleepyheads, let's ditch the soggy cereal and whip up a breakfast that'll kickstart your day. A protein-packed smoothie bowl that's bursting with flavor and will fuel you up like a bloody champion. None of that sugary rubbish that leaves you crashing by mid-morning. We're talking about a proper breakfast, packed with the good stuff to power you through. This smoothie bowl is a blank canvas for your creativity. Chuck in your favorite fruits, a scoop of protein powder, a handful of nuts for crunch, and some chia seeds for good measure. Remember, this isn't some sad, watery excuse for a meal. We're building a thick, luscious smoothie that can hold its own. Now listen up, because this is crucial. The key to a brilliant smoothie bowl is the texture. We want it thick enough to hold its toppings, not some runny mess that resembles dishwater. Frozen bananas are your secret weapon here. They add natural sweetness and create that irresistible creamy texture. No banana, no bloody service. And don't even think about skimping on the toppings. This is where you can really let your culinary genius shine. Think fresh berries, crunchy granola, a drizzle of honey. Go wild, but for God's sake, keep it tidy. We want a work of art, not some dog's breakfast scattered across the table. Now get blending. Right, enough of the fancy bowls. Let's get down to business with a proper breakfast skillet. This one's for those mornings when you need something hearty, savory, and bloody quick. We're talking scrambled eggs, cooked to perfection, not rubbery and dry. Some quality turkey sausage for a protein punch, and a generous helping of black beans for fiber and flavor. This isn't rocket science, people. It's about simple, honest ingredients cooked well. Get your skillet piping hot, a touch of oil, and let's get cracking. First, the sausage. We want it crisp and golden, not burnt to a cinder. And for God's sake, use decent quality sausage, none of that processed rubbish. Next, the eggs. Low and slow is the key here. We're aiming for fluffy, creamy perfection, not some rubbery disgrace. Season well, a touch of salt and pepper. And don't you dare overcook them. Finally, the black beans. Heat them through and don't be shy with the seasoning. A pinch of cumin, some smoked paprika. Let's give those beans some attitude. There you have it, a breakfast skillet that'll set you up for the day. Full of protein, packed with flavor, and ready in minutes. Now stop making excuses and get cooking. Let me tell you, mornings used to be a right bloody nightmare. Dragging myself out of bed, feeling like I'd been run over by a lorry. It was a recipe for disaster, and believe me, I know a disaster when I see one. But then I discovered the power of protein. And let me tell you, it changed everything. No more of that sluggish, I need a coffee IV feeling. Protein, my friends, is like the fuel that gets your engine roaring, not sputtering and stalling. It's the difference between a greasy spoon fry-up that leaves you feeling like a beached whale and a Michelin star breakfast that sets you up for success. I'm not saying it's a magic bullet, but honestly, it's pretty damn close. More energy, sharper focus, and even this gut, yes, this gut, has seen better days. It's about time you lot started treating your bodies with the respect they deserve, and that starts with a proper breakfast. So ditch the sugary cereals and the white bread toast. They're nothing but a one-way ticket to a mid-morning slump. We're talking protein, people, the building blocks of a bloody brilliant morning, and trust me, you'll thank me later. Look, I'm not saying you have to become a protein-obsessed gym rat overnight, but for crying out loud, start incorporating more of it into your breakfast. Eggs, Greek yogurt, a bit of smoked salmon, even some lean bacon if you must. We're talking simple swaps here, not rocket science. Swap out the sugary yogurt for the Greek stuff. Ditch the sugary cereal for a protein shake or some scrambled eggs. It's not that difficult, you just need to get your head in the game. And the best part? You'll feel the difference. No more energy crashes, no more cravings for sugary snacks by 10 a.m. You'll be firing on all cylinders, ready to tackle whatever the day throws at you. So, what are you waiting for? Get your act together, ditch the donuts, and embrace the power of protein. Your body will thank you for it, and frankly, so will your taste buds. Listen, I've given you the tools, now it's time to use them. No more excuses about not having time or not knowing what to make. These recipes are simple, they're delicious, and most importantly, they're packed with the protein you need to conquer your day. We've talked about the importance of protein, we've busted some breakfast myths, and I've even shared some of my favorite protein-packed recipes with you. Now it's your turn to step up to the plate and put in the effort. Don't let a few bad habits hold you back from feeling your best. Start your day right with a protein-rich breakfast, and I guarantee you'll notice the difference. More energy, better focus, and maybe even a little less of that morning grumpiness. So go on, get in the kitchen and show me what you've got. I want to see your protein-packed breakfasts, and I want to hear about the amazing transformations you're making. Remember, this isn't just about breakfast, it's about setting yourself up for success in all areas of your life. When you feel good, you perform better, you're more productive, and frankly, you're just more bloody pleasant to be around. So join me, and let's start a protein-packed breakfast revolution. Share your favorite recipes, your tips, your successes, and even your disasters. We've all been there. Let's create a community where we can inspire and motivate each other to be the best versions of ourselves. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious and nutritious recipes, cooking tips, and the occasional kitchen rant, because let's face it, everyone needs a bit of fire in their belly, especially in the morning. Now go forth and conquer your day, you protein-powered champions. And there you have it, another recipe nailed. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more delicious and easy recipes. Until next time, keep those kitchens clean and those plates hot.